day and I've styled my hair. Obviously washed it out, and this is a finished look. It's definitely not purple, but I really like it. It's kind of a silver, which is what I've been going for like a long time, and I was never able to achieve. But it's more of, I was talking to a friend and she was like, it's more of an oil slick, honestly, because there's little, you can see there's little bits of purple and blue and like a little bit of aqua, like teal greens. It's kind of, I don't know, like from far away it just kind of looks silver grayish, but from close up it looks like an oil slick, which is kind of cool. A little weird, kind of cool. I'm into it. So I'm wearing a lot of like neutral colors with this and it looks good, like a lot of like whites and grays and stuff. But yeah, if you want to dye your hair purple, maybe lighten it probably first more than I did, even though my hair was like as light as it's ever been before. Basically what I learned from this experience is your hair needs to be like white beforehand if you want it to be like a lavender, light teal, purple periwinkle color. But yeah, it was kind of a fail, but we did achieve a cool silver smoky look, and I'm really happy with it. So thank you guys for watching me dye my hair. That's just kind of the same way I do it every time. The technique, anyways, I do different colors. I'll definitely be doing a different color next because I think I want something brighter, like a pink or a red or something like that maybe. I honestly don't know yet. I'm really excited to be making more videos again because, I don't know, they're very, like, they help me de-stress. I really like the, like, I'm trying to do just like chill vibes videos lately and it's been really nice. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like this video if you liked it and leave a comment letting me know if you want to see more videos like this or if you have any questions about how I dyed it or what dyes I use. I'll try and leave all of them in the description below, so there shouldn't be any discrepancy there, but I know that like the process I did was kind of weird and then like I ran out of dye, so I had to like make more and it was like not the same shade, but it all worked out in the end. But yeah, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Alright, bye-bye.